That's working the video. Let me say this first. This may not work for all devices, I mean all phones, okay? But if you check and with yours, you're able to just make some changes to it, please let me know the phone in the comment section, and then more videos will be coming here on this platform. Let's start with it and let's dive in. But if you're new, subscribe for more and give me a like. Let's start with it. Let's go. So just open your call app, and when you open your call app, okay, the last time I showed you how you can just make a call very fast on your phone, okay? Just tap and hold, and then it will call a particular number. So you just tap and hold to show an option like this, and then you tap on OK, and then you will just add a number right here from 2 to 9. You just add any number right there, okay? And as you add the number, you can just tap and hold, and then a particular call will be placed. Check in the comment section for that video, and then let's talk about more settings on this one on your phone settings, okay? So when you open your call app like this, okay, look at the top right here, we have settings. Just tap on the settings, okay, and we have the first one for flash for calls, okay? So when you turn this on, someone calls you, you will see the flashlight just blinking, okay, alerting you that someone is calling you. And then we have auto record, okay? So for auto record, anytime someone calls you, if you turn it on, anytime someone calls you, it will be automatically be recording every single message. And know that it will take a lot of space. So if in case you are someone that you don't really make secret calls, I don't think you should be just turning this on. It should be off at least, okay? Or you can also turn it on only if you want, but in your phone settings, okay, or as you make call, you can just turn it on for that particular call, okay? Now we have the other one called my video show, okay? Turn or tap on that one. When you tap on that one, you can see we have 1 2 3 right here, and you can also add more, okay? But when you tap on this, or when you select this, anytime someone calls you, you will see something like this on your phone. It will differ depending on the phone that you're using, okay? So as you just check it, then surely you can just change it right there. So you can use it from this to this one, okay? Or you can also use a particular video for your own self, okay? So let's tap on the plus sign right here. It will lead you to your gallery, and you can just go and then select a particular video, okay? So let's say this one, okay? So important video is too large, so you need to just go and then select another video of low size, okay? So later I got one, and you can see importing local video. So this is it, okay? This is the video that I got, and you can just tap on apply. Anytime someone calls you, you see this playing, and then it will be a nice thing for you. So you can just apply right here, and then it will be always playing, okay? That's it. Just a simple thing. You can also change it by adding another one, and surely you'll be just changing it every now and then. Now let's go back and then look for another thing, okay? So we have unknown number identification. Just tap on this one. When you tap on it, when you come to this side, make sure this one is on, make sure this one too is on, so that anytime someone calls you and then the number is not known to you, by the help of your phone, that unknown number, maybe a name will pop up, or you just have a gist of that number, okay? And then we have scroll down a little and look for sound and vibration. Tap on it, okay? When you tap on it, look down here, we have this one, haptic vibration. So with this one, when you're just typing on your keyboard, let's say *124, or you are just done the keypad to just call someone, you will see that there will be a vibration. Anytime you tap on one, you see you'll be hearing and due to that, it will just drain more battery, okay? So turn it off right here. Turn off haptic vibration. If you come and then yours is on, just turn it off, okay? And then increasing incoming ringtone. So let's say the moment someone calls you, the volume may be low, and then it will be increasing as your phone rings. Then we have vibrate for calls. So when someone calls, you can just turn on this, but if it is at ringing, there's no need for you to even turn on this, okay? Or you can just turn it at always vibrate, but know that it will just also drain battery as well. So put it as never vibrate, okay? And then we have advanced. Tap on the advanced, and we have the dial pad tones right here. Make sure it is off, okay? We have the screen locking sound. Turn it off. This one will be draining battery. The charging sound, maybe for this one, we can just turn it on. Maybe, you know, we will be in a hurry, but the moment you just plug in your charger to your phone, you hear, let's say, a click or something to just prompt you that your phone is really charging. Otherwise, sometimes you may be you may not maybe the charger won't be unplugged, okay, or in the socket correctly, but the moment you just plug it, there is no sound, you just left. The moment you come back, you will see 1% right there. So yeah, turn this one on, the charging sound, and then with the touch sound to just turn it off. These ones will really save you battery, okay. And please like the video and subscribe for more. Now let's go back and look at another thing, okay. Sorry. Okay, so we are here. Let's go back again, and then we have the advanced settings right here. Tap on the advanced settings, okay. When you come to this side, we have the power button and score. So let's say maybe most of you, okay, sometimes your phone screen will not turn on, okay. Sometimes when you just get a call or when you start to play a video or audio, your phone start to go blind. It's just because you have issue with your phone sensor. I've explained already, I have a video already, you can just check it out. So if it happens that way, and turning on your phone screen on again to just hang that particular call becomes an issue, you can just turn on power button and score, and then anytime you are done talking, you can just tap on the power button just once, and then it will just end the call, okay. So that's it for the power button and score, okay. And then with the vibrate when answering or declining the call, I don't think that one too is too necessary, okay. So you can just turn it off to just save battery as well. And then we have the call time reminder, so it will vibrate at the last 15 seconds per minute during a call, okay. So that one too, you can just turn it on. And we have the speed dial right here, so instead of you tapping and holding on either 2 or 3 and then coming to add the number, you can just come to this way, and then you can just come and then add it right there, okay. So a full video will be in the comment section or description of this video, okay. And we have the accessibility. Just tap on the accessibility, and please like the video because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. So we have the AI noise reduction. This is one very important thing. I know most of you, when you just go to the market, anytime you call we always know that yes, indeed you are in the market. But when you turn on the AI noise reduction, at least the person may not know that you are at the market or anywhere, okay. It will reduce the background noise so that the person can really hear you very, very well. Also, we have the hearing aid. You can just turn it on if in case you need help with that one, okay. And let's go back again. So when you come back here, we have the flip mute, okay. When you just tap on the flip mute, when you come to this side, you turn it on. If someone is calling you, okay, and you are at a meeting, you can just turn the phone like this. So let's say your phone is here like this and someone is calling you, you just take your phone and then you just do something like this, and then the call will just be silenced, okay. The ringtone will just shut down, okay. So there's one thing, that best thing that will really help if in case you are someone that you go for a meeting, meetings, okay. Yeah, so with this, it will be something good for you to just turn it on to use, okay. And we have the raise to ear, okay. So when someone calls you, when just turn this one on, when someone calls you, no need for you to just tap or answer, just raise it to your ear, and then you start to just talk to the person, okay. So it will automatically pick the call for you as you do this gesture, okay. Yeah, now let's go back and look at the last one, answer calls with gesture. If you guys remember, I just showed you how you can do this, okay. So you just turn it on right here, and then we have the gestures, the 2 for answering the calls, and then the 5 hands to just reject any incoming call, okay. So check in the description if in case you need help with that one, but that's how they all work, okay.